Although PCB printed circuit board and PCBA printed circuit board assembly differ by just one letter, they serve entirely different purposes in electronics manufacturing, which is roughly composed of a substrate, a conductor wire layer, a pad, a jack, etc. It provides a foundational structure for electrical connections but lacks functional components. PCBA, on the other hand, is the assembled version of PCB with all electronic components, such as resistors, ICs, and capacitors, soldered onto it. This semi-finished product becomes a functional module ready for integration into electronic devices. For procurement professionals, understanding this distinction is crucial. PCB suppliers provide only the bare boards. PCBA suppliers offer fully assembled and tested units. For inexperienced purchasers, knowing the difference between the two can help them distinguish between supplier types and improve procurement efficiency.